Everyone's as excited as me, right, when they pick up their bike? They like missed it a lot. And...
So you don't get mad at us.
For fixing it?
Oh yeah, it's too long.
Wow. That's why you just
I
go.
like when people are happy.
That's why you go get a second bike. That's what I'm like. I'm trying, yeah.
Yeah.
Then when one's getting worked on, you've got the other one.
Exactly.
Oh, it's already on. It's already on. Hi, guys. Oh, I'm just really excited, so hopefully I'm not too nervous. I'm gonna turn this one on. And then we're gonna, oh, my kickstand went up super easy. So I'm probably gonna be annoyed, but they upped my idle to like factory, and I feel like it's going up and down a little bit. Just saying. It's like, is that normal? Alright, I haven't been on this thing for a couple weeks, so bear with me, and it's got new clutch plates in it, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun on it, okay? So let's see how she does. We're in first. So far, everything seems okay. I don't know what that big giant bug was that just landed on me. Hope it wasn't deadly. Oh, it's so smoothie. I thought it was smooth before. Everybody stay on your side, because I'm turning. What's this? Oh, big pothole. Look at all the traffic. They probably think I'm going to try to sneak around them. I'm not. I'm turning, don't worry. Wow, everything feels really loose. The brake, they did the oil change, so I'm guessing they greased some stuff. Engine sounds great. Clutch seems really just like feel like it's I don't even feel like there's any pressure anywhere. The clutch feels smooth, not just smooth, but just like free flowing. The brake even, I don't know if they lube the brake pedal, or I'm just excited. But we got brake pedal, we got clutch feels good, we got shifting feels good, clutch handle feels good. Just that downshift right there is just like better. All right, well, let's see. This is our favorite spot. Don't hit the sand. My brain still thinks it's gonna like glitch. It's beautiful, very beautiful. I'm really excited to, first of all, okay, I have so much to say. I haven't vlogged in like 2 or 3 weeks. The bike was in the shop because it was like surging. Well, that's not why I took it. I originally took it because there's a thread right here that holds the clutch cable in, and it busted off, so the thread wouldn't stay in. So they had just done the clutch cable recently, so they fixed that, and I asked them, can you check the oil, because it feels like it's acting weird. It's a wet clutch, and so I know that maybe that's causing the clutch to grip a little bit, and they're like, oh no, you need new clutch plates. And I'm like, great. Listen to it, it's staying up high. But that's good, because it's not like dying, and I think I'm just gonna have to get used to it. But anyways, okay, so they did the clutch plates, and I need to double check the receipt here. Oh, look at this, it's just like wheat. They greased it. Thank you. Okay, anyways, I'll have to finish this story later. Gotta go in and get my stuff real quick. I gotta get out of my brain that my clutch isn't gonna work, because it's been catching so much that my brain is like afraid to let go of the clutch. But now it's fixed. All right, so let's start over. not start over. Here's the info. When I would take off, my clutch would grab. Here's a video of it. Why did you do that to me, clutch? Yeah, so that sucked. Then had my clutch cable break, not the actual cable, but the spot that holds the cable. The bike is like moving forward. Yep, that's what I thought. So I took it in for that and I said, hey, the oil's been a little, maybe a little low. So could you like check that for me and see what's going on with that? And then, because I've been having some stuff grabbing, and they're like, oh, well, let's check that out for you. And they said, oh yeah, the clutch plates, they need replaced. Now that, I don't know why, it has 17,000 miles on it. It could be original, it could be not. There's been multiple people who've owned this. I guess older guy bought it and he got sick, so his son bought it from him, and then I don't know how many miles they really put on it, and then another guy got it that's the guy I bought it from. His name's Tim, so I got it from him. He did, I think, I'm guessing he did a lot of the modding on it. So yeah, and then I bought it. So I was a new rider. I'd never had a motorcycle before, so who knows if I messed with the clutch too much and ruined it. Idle is high. It's what they say. It's what the Suzuki dealer put it at, so hoping that's right. It's just, I think it's because I've trained myself for this long to have it lower. So anyways, they're like, oh yeah, clutch plates. And I was like, oh, really? How much is that? They're like, probably with everything, we're talking like $600. I'm like, oh, jeez, that's not good. They were right. We're sitting at about $615. I'll show you on the receipt later, because the thing that's really important is how many clutch plates did they put in it? Okay, so why that matters, this is a 2007 Suzuki Boulevard M109R, and I believe around 2010 or so, they changed the clutch system. And so what that means is, instead of using 5 clutch plates, they used 6, or 10 and 12, or however you count clutch plates. But I asked them, and they're like, oh, well, we just ordered what was, you know, what Suzuki's got in the system for this year bike. And I was like, oh, darn. But then they looked at the part list, and they're like, well, it looks like there's 12. And I don't know anything about clutch plates, so from everybody I talked to online, they're like, that probably means there's 6. So there's 6 clutch plates and 6 steel plates, or whatever. I don't know what that means. Sorry, I don't know how that works. I'm a car guy, not a motorcycle guy. I know a little bit about clutches and stuff, but anyways, so I think I got the newer system. I'm not really sure how to tell, you know, now that I'm riding it, but I can tell that everything feels, nice. It feels very lubed, it feels very free, it feels, you know, like brand new. I'm really looking into getting my ECU flashed, which is the computer that runs the bike, and they say that even changes, like, I guess some of the gears like have the motor restricted to like 50%, like for second and third, or I don't know. So I need to look into that a little bit. So yeah, so for right now, it's feeling real good. I'm really excited about it. I mean, obviously it's running. My clutch handle is fixed. My clutch plates are fixed, so it's not grabbing. I got oil change. I got the idle fixed. I'd say I'm sure there's other guys that probably could have done it cheaper, but I don't know. This bike is so rare around here. Like, I don't even know that the dealership knows a ton about the bike. I just feel like they don't even know. Like, I don't know anybody around here who has this bike. I found one guy in Iowa online, and then another guy, I just happened to see it around, and I found out he's like an owner of a restaurant around here. But so there's 2 bikes for sure in Iowa. Actually, I haven't seen the guy that owns the restaurant lately, but so it just seems really, it kind of makes me nervous about taking it to like just a local shop. Like, I feel like they're not going to know what to do. They're not going to know the bike. They're going to guess. They're going to have to look up stuff. So far, I feel like they've been somewhat fair in their pricing. So some of you guys are going to be like, what? The parts are only like $150 and they charged you $95 an hour labor. And yeah, you're probably right. All right, give me some feedback. I got comment section below. Just tell me what you think. Is there some guy here in the Midwest? Should I have trailered it all the way to somebody? And teach me, YouTube. Okay, let's talk about riding. Right now, traffic is horrible. This is that time of day. I'm trying to get home because I have softball. I need to group these cables down here a little better. The ones like underneath the right here. I don't like that. It needs to be over with that. Then it works its way back. I think it's my starter cable, maybe, or my kill switch. Maybe that's all one. I gotta get in my vibe again. I gotta get in the groove again and just kind of find where I belong, you know? I belong up here! Bikes are faster than cars. Maybe that should be my channel slogan. Bikes are faster than cars. I just got a text from my friend. He just got his bike back today too. He only was missing it for like over the weekend because of a battery issue. Mine was like a lot longer than that. Mine was like more than 2 weeks. I don't know. I feel like it was a couple weekends. Ow! It bit my cheek. What are you doing way up there, buddy? Just saying. There's a line. There's a line right here. Gotta beat the rain, gotta beat the rain, because my cameras are not waterproof. They need to make the DJI Osmo Pocket waterproof. You know what I think I'll do is I'll probably end up with a DJI Osmo, Osmo action camera on the right with a ridiculous stabilizer, 4K. It's a highway patrol right there. Oh, he's in his car with his laptop open. Sorry, sir. Well, I'm super excited to have the bike back. I'm super excited to ride again and vlog again, although I've been editing. It's given me plenty of time to edit. I'm still not even caught up. Woohoo! Yeah, and it works. Except right there, do you hear that? I think I need to run the program again because the idle I think is needs to be adjusted. Like they adjusted the idle, but I need to adjust the computer. Oh, they greased my this thing kickstand, so it's like super easy to kick down now. It's like boop.
Was it what we thought it was for cost?
Yep. Unfortunately. Don't worry, I'll just move the tent. Hi, honey, can you move your scooter? Because I need to bring my bike in. Thank you.
Get it, Daddy. Dad, are you happy to have your motorcycle back?
Yeah. Gotta get used to it again.